In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce transaction fees when trading cryptocurrencies on Binance. Saving on fees can make a significant difference over time, especially for active traders and those dealing with larger volumes. So let's dive right in. First, one of the most effective ways to keep those fees in check is by enabling the BNB fee discount. To do this, you'll need to open your Binance app or website and head to the menu, which you can find as three horizontal lines usually located at the top left of the interface. From there, navigate to Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Using BNB and click on it. Once you're in, you'll see an option to use BNB to pay fees. Make sure to toggle this on. By having this enabled, you'll be using Binance Coin or BNB to pay for your transaction fees, which can provide a significant discount, often around 25%. This is a substantial saving, particularly useful for active traders who want to keep costs down over time. Next, it's important to consider the type of trading you're engaging in. Trading on the spot market or using the convert feature on Binance generally comes with lower fees compared to trading on margin or engaging in futures trading. This is particularly beneficial for those who prefer straightforward trades or conversions, allowing you to avoid the additional costs associated with more complex trading formats. So, if possible, lean towards the spot and convert options to maintain lower transaction costs. Another tip is to choose market pairs with high liquidity. High liquidity pairs like BTC USDT typically have lower spreads, which can contribute to lower fees. This is because there is a higher volume of transactions occurring, allowing for more efficient order execution and less price impact. By sticking with these pairs, not only are you benefiting from potentially lower fees, but you're also ensuring that your trades are executed quickly and efficiently. Finally, whenever possible, opt for using limit orders instead of market orders. Limit orders allow you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell, which can help you avoid the slippage commonly associated with market orders. Moreover, using limit orders means you're directly contributing to order book liquidity, which often earns you a maker fee, a lower fee compared to the taker fee applied when using market orders. Being patient and placing your orders with a bit of strategy can be another way to keep those fees down. With these tips, you can start trading more efficiently on Binance and keep transaction fees to a minimum. Remember, every little saving adds up, and over time this can make a significant difference to your trading costs. Happy trading, and may your fees be low and your profits high.